In this video, we're going to take a look at A/B split test and the Google Analytics for integration. A/B split test is the quickest and easiest way to create a split test with WordPress, and now it's integrated with Google Analytics 4. So you don't actually need to do anything. Once you've created a test, we'll automatically send events to Google Analytics. So let's jump on over there and check out some data. Okay, here we have analytics. Straight out of the gate, your events from A/B split test will be sent to Google. With the new Analytics 4, we do need to do a little setting up to get the full amount of information out of it, but you can see if you go into the real time, go to events, and you can see here A/B split test. Once you click onto it, you can see things like test name, test event, visit, and test variation, the new variation. But it's hard to see any information beyond that. So what we need to do is two things. We'll go over to the admin, custom definitions. You'll see I've already got them set up here, but all you need to do is create 3 different custom definitions. We've got test underscore event, test name, and test variation. So all you need to do is create a custom definition. You can give it whatever name you want, but I've just stick with what it is. It's a test name. It is an event parameter, and if we plug this in here, you'll see it's already registered. We can go to our reports, engagement, events, and again, we'll see A/B split test here. Now that we've created some custom definitions, you'll see test name, test variation, and test event here, and that gives us a little bit more information. Again, it's not giving us too much. We'll see that A/B split test home buttons direct has had this many counts, and then it'll show all the test variations mashed up. So this is from the home buttons, this is from the encourage multi-day, and the visits and conversions are mixed up as well. So what we do is we create our own exploration. Create a new blank exploration. I'm going to choose freeform. We're going to add a couple of dimensions here. It's going to be test, event, name, and variation. Import, and you'll see we have them on the side here. Now we'll do metrics, and we'll do event count. Now you can change this based on what data you're trying to get out of Google Analytics, but at a very simple level, all we need to do is create a row for each of these, and then the values will be event count, and here we go. Now we can do a lot of different things once we have this data here. Most commonly, you'll probably want to filter it by the test, so you can create a test name exactly matches, and then you can choose your test. And maybe you want to look at it in a line chart so you can view the activity by day. There is a heap more that you can do inside Google Analytics, obviously, but that depends on you and your goals. If you haven't already got A/B split test, check it out at absplittest.com.